Like most people, I've been using Windows for years, starting off at Windows 8.1 up to Windows 11, which is the latest one. But over the years, I've had my issues with Windows and I would like to try out a new experience. So I made the leap to macOS, and let me tell you, it is worth the switch. It's not even a switch, it's a game changer, and here's why I think you should make the switch too. Alright, let's talk stability and performance. So, in my opinion, Windows is just bad when it comes to stability. I've had random blue screens of death. It has absolutely no reason to bog down. On my previous system, I had 32 GB of RAM compared to my current Mac, which only has 8 GB of RAM, and Windows keeps hogging up 50% of the RAM for some reason. I don't know why. There are no applications running. This is on idle. And as compared to Mac, it is very unreliable. Imagine you're doing work, some very important work, and boom, it crashes out of nowhere and you have to restart to a fresh canvas with nothing left. So in my opinion, macOS is just way better than Windows when it comes to being reliable first of all and working like a normal computer. Now let's talk about the user experience. If you're used to Windows, switching to macOS will feel incredibly difficult at first, but let me tell you, the macOS user interface is very intuitive. The layout is simpler, the interface is cleaner, and once you get used to the shortcuts, you will realize just how much time you were wasting on Windows with the unnecessary clicks and menus. The Finder app, for instance, makes it way easier to find your files compared to File Explorer on Windows. Spotlight search is very fast. It helps you find all your applications in one place. The dock will give you your most used applications so you can access them right away. It's not about being sleek, it's about getting things done without wasting time. A major concern I had when switching over from Windows to Mac was software. As I wasn't sure most softwares I used on my Windows machine would natively be supported on Mac, but thankfully most of them are, such as the Adobe Creative Cloud Suite. The Office applications are also supported on Mac, and you can easily find most of these applications on the App Store. Now, for Windows specific applications, you have the Parallels desktop app, which will allow you to run an instant of Windows on your Mac itself. And for the older generations of laptops which use an Intel architecture, you have the Boot Camp Assistant. Now, the final point is build quality. Any Windows laptop I have used for the past years has always had a bad build quality. They always seem to go flimsy over time, and they generally don't feel good to use after 2 to 3 years of usage. Even if you spend more than what I spent on my laptop here right now, it's not gonna last you more than 2 to 3 years, even with good care. It will slow down over time, it will ask for maintenance, and it's just a big headache. On Apple's side over here, there's nothing. Build quality is 100%. And if you think about selling a laptop in the future down 5 years, it will have a good resale value. So overall, I'm loving macOS right now. I'm not having to deal with any of the issues Windows has been giving me. Microsoft, you can really improve your OS, and Apple, hats off to you for making a brilliant operating system. Comment down below what you think I should review next, and I will catch you guys in the next one.